Hello, Songbird. Today I'm showing you how to sing high notes, and I'm going to show you 4 different ways with 4 accompanying exercises that's going to help you cultivate these things. Let's get started. Number 1, clear head voice. Okay, so here is an example. I got the eye of the tiger, a fighter, dancing through the fire, 'cause I am a champion. So as you can see there, I'm using purely my head voice. So that means the vocal folds aren't completely closing in together to vibrate. It's really only the edges, right, that are coming together. So it's sort of giving that more of a thinner, lighter feel and sound. But it's actually very clear. It sounds like a bell, and yeah, it's actually really easy to execute. Now, the exercise that we're going to use to cultivate a clear head voice is a no on a descending arpeggio. Now, the important thing here is how you pronounce the word no. You want to make sure it's a little bit more long, elongated ooh, and not ooh. Okay, that's super important. Okay, the exercise goes like this. Well done. Very good. The second way to sing your high notes is now using a breathy head voice. So what we did before, but it's actually going to have a lot of breath going through it. Here's an example. I got the eye of a tiger, fighter, dancing through the fire, 'cause I am a champion. All right. Now, when you sing with a very, very breathy head voice, as you can hear, you lose breath very, very quickly. And so it's actually quite hard to sing this with grounded breath, okay? Because you're literally, it's almost like you're forcing a lot of air out, okay? But if that's the effect that you want and you want to approach your high notes like that, because sometimes that vulnerability comes through with a bit of breathiness, then that's the way you would do it. So here is an exercise to cultivate that. It is a breathy sigh, and it goes like this. Incredible. Now, before I go and unpack the other 2 ways to sing high notes, I'd like you to know that I've actually got a full masterclass where I unpack how to sing high notes in comprehensive detail. You might want to check that out for free. Go and take your 7-day free trial of the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy here. The third way to sing high notes is using your mixed voice. So instead of just using head voice or chest voice, you're going to meld them 2 together and actually have both chest voice and head voice on the notes. Here's an example. I got the eye of the tiger, a fighter, dancing through the fire, 'cause I am a champion. Now, the exercise that we're going to use to cultivate that is a no on a descending arpeggio. Now, you need to sing this as if you are literally saying no to me, like you're actually adamantly disagreeing with me. It goes like this. No, 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 no. 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 Amazing. Now, if you're loving this video, please do give it a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. That's going to help you to know exactly when I drop my new videos, and it's also going to help other songbirds find this video too. The 4th and very exciting way of singing high is to belt. Everybody wants to belt like Beyonce and sing those high money notes in a very powerful, intense way that's loud and really shows conviction of emotion and, is impressive, right? Let's just be real. So this is the example of how I would belt this particular song. I got the eye of a tiger, a fighter, dancing through the fire, 'cause I am a champion. Right. You really feel like a champion when you're actually belting out that song. Now, a great way to cultivate the belting ability is by the exercise called the damn cat. And it goes like this. Damn cat, damn cat, damn cat, damn cat, damn cat, damn cat. All right? Really important to sing that as if you are actually speaking it out, as if you're really frustrated with this cat that just keeps getting in your way. Or maybe you're sleeping at night and there's just this really annoying cat next door that just keeps going meow, meow, and you can't sleep, you know? Think of a scenario like that. Sing that exercise out as if you're really annoyed at this cat, and it's actually going to help you to belt. Now, if you can't get enough of this stuff, go and check out my How to Sing High Notes playlist. Lots of videos there for you to check out and learn more about how to sing with high notes. And of course, if you really want to go deeper, check out the 7-day free trial of the Songbird Tree Academy here. Songbird, I am always believing in you, so I can't wait to see you inside the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy.